Olivia, what's Daddy got on his head? Huh? Pick me! You gotta stand up and get it. Okay, now he's gonna walk away. He's gonna get Pick me on his head. There he goes. Gotta go get it. Gotta stand up. Yeah. There he goes. Go get it. You can do it. You can do it. Get Pick me. Oh, it's okay. You can get it. She's like, come on, Dad. Give me Pick me. She got a handful of hair. She's walking all around him. Wouldn't it just be easier to walk over there? Olivia, are you sleepy, girl? Go get it. Yeah. Daddy, maybe you should hand it to me. Look. Yeah. Mommy is Pick me. Olivia, right here.
Come on. Let's do it. Let's do it, girlie.
Dad, I'm so tired. Oh, I just want Pick me. Why won't anybody give me Pick me? Please. Please. Oh, you're so strong. Oh, Sean, here you go. Pick me. She's still laughing. Oh, she just did a butt spin. Yes, Mama is not the one torturing you with Pick me. It's making you work for it. You don't need to hold on. Quick jam session, Dad. Hold on, just one quick jam session. Okay. Ready? Ready for Pick me? Yeah, that was a step. Right to the knee. Take a knee, Dad. Yeah, you got Pick me. Oh, Pick me loves Olivia. Oh, say all I wanted was to hug him. Oh, you just punched him. Look how fast of a crawler she is. Why should she ever walk? That Pick me, he's quick. Go get it. Uh-oh, Pick me sitting on Daddy's shoulder. I would stand up if it were me. Got him! Got him! You earned it! Yeah, what are you gonna do next? Pick me. Oh, Pick me. There she goes.
She slipped on that thing. Little base.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, she's like, could y'all just please clear a path for me? I like to run around free. There's toys everywhere, my toys. Olivia, what you got? Pick me. What's Daddy doing? No, 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 no. That is not how Olivia Pearl puts up her toys. Oh. Dad just put those away. Olivia. Whistle while you work.
That didn't work.
to Pygmy. She's using the book as a tool to slide across the floor. She's using me to climb up. Oh no! What's that, Cloverfield? No! No once. Yeah, here.
Don't Pygmy.
Yeah. I bet you on the camera. Pygmy's so silly. There she goes. Oh! Multiple steps. She'll do anything for Pygmy, folks. Yeah.
You got it.
You're so strong. Oh, Olivia, you're so pretty.
Baby girl. You got it.
Olivia. Olivia. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Why won't you ever wave to Mommy? Olivia. Yeah. Because I got toys in my hand, Mom. You want to share? Aw. Mwah. Mwah.
You see Pygmy.
Oh, that was so long. She's just so good. Olivia. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Yeah. Olivia. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Signing off.